What's up, fellow fly fishermen? Welcome back. Today I am once again fishing the river I have been fishing in the video from 2 weeks ago. The river is not as clear as last time, but still pretty clear and pretty low, so fishing should be good but difficult. And yeah, I'm gonna target these native brown trout again. Also, I remembered I caught some native brook trout in here a few years ago, so maybe I get a brook trout even, that would be great. And yeah, I'd say without further ado, I'm gonna start fishing and enjoy the video. I'm getting more and more into nymph fishing, as you could see from the last 2 videos. And yeah, yesterday evening I tied up some nymphs and I'm gonna use this one first. Pretty heavy nymph, just to scope out these deeper holes here. Yeah, let's see. Look at that. Small caddis. Maybe I get a caddis rise today. This next stretch looks perfect for a streamer, so I tied on this black woolly bugger. And yeah, let's see. Oh, there is one. Oh, she missed it. Good fish. Good fish. Oh my goodness. I think I'm actually seeing her. Yep, that's her. Alright, I'm gonna watch her and try it with a nymph. Maybe she takes it again. Alright, I really hope I can get her on the nymph, but that's not gonna be easy because the current is awful there. There we go. Got her. Let's go. Sight fly fishing with a nymph. Let's go. Oh, that's gonna be difficult. Oh, yep. Go through there. Yes, let's go. She's not fighting very hard, but a nice native brown trout. Look at her. Wow. Let's go, guys. Nice native brown trout. Wow, very, very nice fish. And look at that perfect hook set right in the edge of the mouth. And beautiful fish. Wow. Guys, I'm falling more and more in love with this river. Native brown trout are my absolute favorite fish, and to catch them on sight with a nymph is absolutely awesome. I'm gonna continue fly fishing with the woolly bugger though, because as I said, this spot is predestined for woolly buggers, and if I hadn't seen that fish I would have never caught her with a nymph. So yeah, let's go back to the woolly bugger. Alright, let's continue. One, but she's still there. Maybe she takes it again. Yes, let's go! Yoo-hoo! Oh, go down there. Yep, let's go. Oh, let's go. Second fish of the day. Yoo-hoo! Let's go. Oh, that was so sick again. Another native brown trout. Guys, this is how great memories get made. Wow, 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 wow. Let's continue with the woolly bugger. So I just climbed up on this rock to see if there are any fish standing right there to catch them on sight. I don't see one yet, but I will have a look for a few more minutes. Okay, I've switched back to the nymph I caught the trout on before, because, well, I want to get better at nymph fishing, and this spot and the upcoming spots look pretty good for that. So yeah. Oh, there was a fish already. No. No. I missed the strike. Oh. Oh, there's one. Let's go. I just wanted to lift the fly up, but well, a small trout came up and ate it. No! Well, there she goes. So I've climbed up on a rock again, and right down there is two nice fish nymphing. There are two. Oh my goodness. How do I catch these? I think I'm gonna climb up on this rock and then catch them from there. These are two nice fish. Okay, I'm not gonna climb onto the rock because I think I might spook them. So I'm gonna try to catch them from here. They are right there, right there. I can see them from here. Oh, let's hope for best. This would be so epic. There's one already. Let's go. Second cast. Oh, was that cool. Oh, go around the rock? Yes, let's go. Perfect. Oh, let's go. Nice fish. Nice brown trout on sight. Let's f***ing go. Guys, this was so epic, as you saw obviously. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get the other one too. Let's see. So I climbed up on the rock again to see if she's still there, and she is still there. And she is still feeding. So right now I'm tying on a new nymph because she has seen the other one and I want to try a new one. And yeah, let's see. I'm gonna go back down and try to catch her. There we go. Wow, let's go. I somehow have to get her on the other side. Yeah, there we go. Oh, this is stressful. Ooh, there she jumps again. Oh, that was so sick. Is it a rainbow? Yep, it's a wild rainbow. Straw-hung fighter. That explains the jumps. Well, last time fly fishing here was epic, but I think this might be even more epic because I caught these two on like 3 meters distance in front of me. It was epic, absolutely epic. So yeah, nothing more to say, let's continue. Look at that, guys. The brown trout is already feeding again. I'm seeing a fish right there. I caught the other ones there, and there's a fish nymphing. Of course I will try to catch this fish, but if it goes downstream, so you can see down here there are some sticks, I would lose that fish for sure. So I don't really know how I'm gonna catch that one, but maybe from upstreams, and I have to hope to not spook her. Or actually, let me get down there, because maybe I can not spook her from there and also catch her. Oh yeah, she's still there. I'm gonna have to catch her with a bow and arrow cast. There she is. Well, I spooked that fish, but honestly it would be boring to catch every fish you see, so I'm okay with not catching that one. Let's continue to the next one. There's a fish, just as I thought. Let's give it a go. There we go. Second cast. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Nice fish. Let's see if I can get her up here. Yep, I think I can. Nah, she's got other plans. Yep, she's down there now. Oh, that's gonna be difficult. Oh no. Oh, okay, I still got her on, I think. Yep, she's still on. Okay, now let's try to get her in here. Oh, she wants to go down another level. Guys, honestly, I have stopped counting fish. This is absolutely mental. I don't think I've ever caught that many fish in here, and also most of them, except one I think, everyone on the nymph and on sight. How sick is that? Unfortunately, I don't have much time left, but this pool up there looks really good, so maybe I get 1 or 2 more fish out of there. Let's see. Well, no more fish in this pool, but honestly I caught so many trout today. I don't have to catch any more, and that's why I'm gonna go home now. Also, as you can see probably behind me, it's gonna start raining pretty soon, so that's what I call great timing. And I can't say it enough, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? Do yourself a favor and subscribe to this channel for weekly fly fishing content every Monday. Alright, that's gonna be all for today, and I will see you next week with a brand new video. So until then, take care and tight lines everybody.